What's going on, everyone? It's Bucky. Welcome to your 31st Python tutorial. And in the last tutorial I showed you guys how to create a tuple or dictionary using parameters, but you can also do something else that's kind of neat, and you can gather information from tuples and dictionaries and use that information as your parameters. So instead of creating tuples and dictionaries, you can use pre-existing ones as your parameters as well. So let's go ahead and let me just show you guys what this means, because it's the easiest way. Let's go ahead and create an example. So define an example function that's going to take three parameters, a, b, and c, and we want this, let's just have return a plus b times c or something like that. No, not ACC, a plus b times c. Good enough. Alright, now once that's created, what do we want to do? So that takes three parameters and returns some math function. Doesn't really matter what the math function is. Then say instead of creating a tuple, you already have a tuple named tuna, and let's throw some numbers in there, 5, 7, 3, and go ahead and press enter to create that. Now what you can do is you can throw this tuple inside this as the parameters. So let's go ahead and write example, and you just don't write tuna here. Anytime you use a tuple, you have to write that little star before it. And remember, star means you're working with a tuple, 2 stars means you're working with a dictionary. Since this is a tuple, this will do just fine. So go ahead and press enter, and it takes the numbers from tuna, 5 plus 7 times 3, and that equals 26. So that is how you can use a tuple and throw in your parameters for a function. So next I'm going to show you guys how to do this with a dictionary, and this is a little different, but it's kind of the same, so pay attention. First we want to define something we can use with a dictionary, and it's not going to be a math function. So let's go ahead and name this example 2, just so we don't get anyone confused. And let's go ahead and have it take one parameter called this. And I forgot a semicolon, so let's go ahead and define example 2, and let's not forget our semicolon next time. This and colon, and let's go ahead and just print it out. So print this. So once we have that function created, example 2, we need a dictionary, because that's what I'm going to teach you guys. So let's go ahead and make a dictionary called bacon. You can name yours whatever you want. And let me populate this. Mom 32 and dad 54. Let's go. And now we have a function that takes one parameter, a dictionary parameter, and we also have a dictionary right here. So if you're gonna guess what I'm gonna do next, then well, just pay attention anyways. So we have example 2, which takes one dictionary parameter. We also have a dictionary called bacon, and remember, when you're using a dictionary, use 2 asterisks. So let's go ahead and throw bacon, this dictionary, into this function example and see what happens. It runs through the function, which is print this, and prints the dictionary, which is bacon. So this is kind of a simple example, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually use tuples and dictionaries not only when you create a function, but you can also use them as the parameters inside a function. And that's useful when you're gathering data from an outside source and you want to do something to it, like alter it in a certain way and also print it out to your users. So that is how you do that, gather information from tuples and dictionaries. So I hope you guys learn how to do that. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.